Title 8, Crimes Against Person. Article 246, parricide. Article 247, death or physical injuries inflicted under exceptional circumstances. 248, murder. 247, homicide. 249, homicide. 250, penalty for frustrated parricide, murder or homicide. 251, death caused in a tumultuous affray. 252, physical injuries inflicted in a tumultuous affray. 253, giving assistance to suicide. 254, discharge of firearms. 255, infanticide. 256, intentional abortion. 257, unintentional abortion. Article 258, abortion practice by the woman herself or by her parents. 259, abortion practice by a physician or midwife and dispensing of abortives. 260, responsibility of participants in a duel. 261, challenging to a duel. 262, mutilation. 263, service. 263, serious physical injuries. 264, administering injuries, substances or beverages. 265, less serious physical injuries. 266, slight physical injuries and maltreatment. 266A, rape when and how committed. 266B, penalties. 266A, effect of pardon. 266D, presumption.